You be friend, we go they eat. You want people see eat for there. We all did this Dutch land for many years. We don't know anything. Thank you. We introduce this thing to my wife. He did with the my case for so many long. They benefit from my wife. My wife never benefit for them. Only this thing will show my wife. So now God go bless you. Now God go bless you. I say no problem. Una see and when I fake messages, guy no measure her name. Because that's what she tell them do us is there. Oh, she go call Enogie. Because once it actually we call they call Enogie. You know because they send me, you know they call me again. You focus so you like people husband. You focus on Enogie. Now so only be careful for this girl. That husband say you not trust me. I want that this one a person. Enogie not do well. I don't know what it concern this adulterous woman. I play evidence now. Evidence shock. Evidence, Sarah. This idiot what talk yesterday, they say na AI. Me ma born am AI again. I don't even know how to operate AI. Now register, I want try to register now for fisting. Use AI. One for no say this girl get evil for men. At least I know her before. Maybe you not get to do something, go see like but you know we do birthday, go see come happy birthday. She know I said I what did they do this girl? Then you know you no my Ghana. I never know see don't get our what we do you. Even when you see every day trauma to us. If na person when want to show for belly, I try to even stop. I not say I get what I'll take finish you. I call the try me you offend me. Even when they offend me, and they try to calm you down. Hey, where mommy? You talk to us, you say you not make sure our name. I talk to you and not make sure your name. The next day you come out, I this market where all people they screen record things they give me. For what you they use the mouth they talk. More play record abi. Men we play record abi. Now your ways of mouth now go take finish you. Adulterous woman. Your ways of mouth now go take finish you. Since you saga me yesterday, they lie up and down. Have you bring evidence? Evidence? You don't ever get evidence when you show. The outcome when I introduce you put, how much they pay you? 50k euro. Before you continue,
let me ask and say, don't say don't know now say omega-3 na good thing. I didn't never see tell us yesterday. Because all you know to a time I have omega-3 na medication people they drink out. Because that guy say I say no fit drink out.
Oh. You see benefit drinker.
I say you friend tell us say if you drink out, you go turn person memory.
In omega-3 person go turn person memory. Allora. Now who supplement? Some people know, some people they are just too dumb. Supplement is different from medicine. Medication. Medication, and when you get that problem, you the eater. Supplement is something you take every day. Like the vitamin D for children and for myself, adult all day, children all day. Supplement is different from medication. What did that girl know? You know pass how to collect benefits, how to use benefit. And the benefit, not even the user aware. 50,000 euro don't come before this girl knows see you want to renovate his children's room for many years. For many years. Now you heard that for six say that they use sellotape. The sellotape bed for Europe. When 800 euro, you can buy beautiful, amazing bed. 1,000 you go buy bed. He reach it on. You not see carry us again. Can't go use sellotape bed. Make a play record. But who go back as well? I don't even know. Oh, yeah, okay. My husband say make a for 1 minute. Let me get it. Okay. Okay. Make a play record. Make a play record. Make a play record. Make a play record. We don't want to play yesterday. New one. Make a play record. Make a play record. Why female? Wanna spray for me? Wanna spray me? Wanna spray me? I don't trust woman. Anything you know about me, come and say it with evidence of proof. Eh? For where?
Yeah.
Okay, now normal, now English, now eh. Make I play record. Thank you, Euro Saga. God go bless you. Make I play record though. From her voice from the horse's mouth. Era time from the horse's mouth. Gakbe recade la ba. This idiot they do video yesterday. He said, Moka, make una tell her, make he remove children. Make una tell her, una don't start it, una call the beg. Why you deny? Una go don't start it, una the beg. When you mock my children, when you mock my daughter, when you get for in bebe for his house, you know, no, so you see get pikin say, this one when the trauma to pikin, so you go come see talk on my own, you know, go say forget on herself. Now never born go talk to my pikin, but you get go pepper me oh. As I say you don't born anyhow, I go follow your hotel, so I go yaga your home. I don't be like those kind of people when you say, I don't trauma to children, even if you trauma to my children, I will forgive you. God is watching, God is looking at you. I love children so much. You trauma to my home, I go yaga your home. If you love your children, don't trauma to other children. If you live in glass, I don't trust her. If your mama dem market, don't trust her for market, because go meet your mama head. Oh yeah, one wow. Say they don't pray, them I cannot feel beat you. Traitor. You don't follow the meaning they play. You want knock your husband, Bola. You want knock your husband, Bola. My play record. Oh, boom. See the record I was playing yesterday. I played 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can't remember theory. May I start for this theory? Although I played this theory yesterday. May I play start for this theory? Make una understand. Make una understand. Make una hear what see. Make una hear what see. Person talk for math. On how you gonna yam with man area. Eh, that mongegi yes was war. Person when they work for fabrica, if they walk like elephant, they eat like ants. After all the old money, as you have pique jacket, they carry us. Now, bad thing say you save see package clothes, you go drop off for character boss. No, but instead characters your leg not they finish for there. You say my contribution, I say make them pay to 200. If I say make them pay 300, the people would that love me they will still join. Come and see my contribution. It's full. My cow meeting is full. You call me, you say, Amanora, you they do cow meeting. You know you just put me. Now I say, now 100, you say that one I change now. Now my husband say, make I not put you. Now my husband say, make I not put you. Now my husband say, make I not put you. If not, I for put you. I don't feel lie. I cannot lie. I cannot saga you with lies. Now my husband say, make I not ask you. You said that one a pure water money, 100,000. You get family for Nigeria, they go share the rice, they go share the cow, everything. Not be only cow. There are a lot of good this when they follow on. My meeting is full now. 2 group A, group B, group C. Now I get people are still coming. Even the video you did yesterday, you give me customer. I thought I said if you want to join, you go pay 2 months. January and February. Mama, no, that not be problem. I go pay. The video were trying to bring me down for my meeting yesterday. You can't use that bring me 3 customers that they say yesterday. They say they want to join my cow meeting. Are you mad or something? Who dog big, dog big? Who dog grow? You want to bring me down, say 200,000. And 100,000 I tell you, the thing called bring customer come for me. Are you okay? Who warrior aggressive? Warrior here with your evidence. Now you want to call the thought of me anyhow? Eh? That's why I spoiled to my husband, but he never. Why don't she never even marry the friend boy? I'm not here boyfriend. If I break up, I enter another one. If I break up, I enter another one. I'm not here boyfriend. I'm a way husband. I have never done that in my life. In my real boyfriend, I'm a way husband. It be like people when they sleep on that bridge for France. Or even if you on that bridge in France, I even have a France. See, this is below the sleep bed. Person when they sleep bed, they know. Person when they sleep bed, they use bracket, they cover. They know. On a one of your bed here. Variety Grace, aka adulterous woman, bring it on. Bring everything you know. Kale Yakwa, my darling. Okay, make a start for you.
Me go come the fear. I know if you do justice. I don't for you, clear. Nobody go. That's how they see me say. I know go fit come out to take on. They say, hey, see this one we just mad. So if they do this one, they do. Unless you find my trouble, hey, I feel it's a person. Yeah. Say I'll just come out. No. You know they had my own. I they talk and come. Even if me and the board, they talk and say, oh, you treat it, don't treat it. But why did not be that time? So you feel talk. I tell her. Come on. And I know they collect with my money. They give me better money. Not be all this 1 naira. I they collect like 500, 1,000 for the Igbo man that time. That one not true. Don't be small before I can't know. I can't say, the thing don't they go down. I go apply for my picket. Should be when I can't apply, now me can't use my apply for that my son that time. Money on the enter my account. I said the B.
He said, now me use my hand. Now me use my hand apply for my son that time. Money can dey enter my account.
Okay.
Una hear
That's yeah.
She dey force government to diagnose. Wetin therapy go repair for 6 months to 1 year. This girl go dey force government make they diagnose the pikin. Now me use my hand apply for my pikin. Who they call the payer. Una hear This say okay, bless on no hear it. Bless on now let me 1 year. Bless on no hear. I will not saga you with lies though. Saga me with lies. You pay me 400. You say na 500. And they pay 100 for my meeting. You say na 200. Yours they cut my journal boy. Yo, I no go cut my journal. If you ma give back ya nyaga we ya bolo wa. Oh, but make ya kukuno because I never come for you. I don't even get anything for mad against you. Disgrace adulterous. I don't have anything for might against you.
Power tap.
After this one, we enter the next record. When I hear what the person talk.
I can't say, the thing don't they go down. I go apply for my picket. Should be when I can't apply, now me can't use my apply for that my son that time. Money on the enter my account. I said the big this life now, so if you're not strong for nothing, life is the best you don't lose.
Don't lose.
You don't lose it that one. That one not true. She fuck off for that one. She for not go the thief. Yes, now.
That one don't play finish. Man, enter the next one. This one a fresh one. This one I play. So I play yesterday. A lot of people were not here yesterday. We call the why they see Jesus. It shows that people were not here yesterday. Some people are not here yesterday. So I don't play that one yesterday. I play today. This one I want play. So more who can record me? I not play yesterday. This one I want enter. So now fresh one I not play yesterday. May I enter fresh one because the one I play yesterday. I played yesterday before I play. May I play this one again? New one.
And I mean, the share 2 hours job while they work for them that time. You see, he left. Useless man. He said, no, pay us rent. He run for months. He just say, I know, get up. He said, me want to go stay just set. I know stay just set. Now, that much Facebook pay me 1,200. When they be owe me ever since. Now you come for money join and pay pay. I tell her, I no go like go just set. I tell her, say, anything we go make her want go back to this SARS. He go must pay all the assets when I pay for 2 months. Okay, you can't pay her.
How you come tell? Okay, the money where Facebook pay, you come put John until they pay the house rent.
That's it. Yeah, that's I don't want to just as I use that. I don't want to process.
Oh, you very fancy audio.
Only not distract me, please. I new audio. I never please. Now new audio be this.
I don't fear my wife.
Why they go?
You ain't for the see audio. Who are getting
me no go suffer.
Yeah.
Money, una husband that they care. The air glass, the air where the payments, not be said the payment, like you know the see fat.
Yeah.
Pass the care.
Yeah.
Una yera the hair with the pena, you know the see far. How can see the pen? The hair with the pay son, you know the see far. How can see the pen? I don't do saga with lies. When they say hair glass, they see they pay. If you know your way, they pay. If you know your way, they pay. No, me record them all. But I don't do that. My husband they would laugh me say, which kind of person you be? You are so different, my wife. Now your friend that you record them all. Bless on lawyer say, you know they see far. They pay picking. They pay and you go see apply. When see glass and therapy go feel walk. You go drag me there. May I take them back?
Husband that they care. The air glass, the air where the penas, not be said the pena, like you know the see fat. How pass the pen?
Yeah.
How pass the pen? My son see they receive. But when my son they receive, they even pass the one where you don't get the pay. So now he know, but they don't tell me. You know, this is where you're the two, so that they use sound like in the spiritual world.
This her friend we record down, so now she felt betrayed her friend. Oh, the girl know your record down. Now she betrayed her friend. That girl, that woman was a nice woman to her. Now she this grace adulterous woman they run to say evidence now water. She betrayed this her friend. As that one say he betray and I that one start to the record and that one be not know how to record before. The last one we for even when evidence was overshow say it dey rare. Now fair year one yesterday oh. The one where evidence for Sarah, evidence they strangulate. My player.
So they say the man they give her 150.
Okay, sir. People don't imagine to that can see I go lead them to go to.
Yes, if for no the thief.
The husband got the thief. Even if the man they do that, he go lead them to go thief. The man was even thiefy.
Stealing.
Thiefy. Where can be stealing? Thiefy. The man was even thiefy.
You know that don't let this one pass me, oh, Baba.
So they say the man they give her 150.
Okay, sir. People don't imagine to that can see I go lead them to go to.
Yes, if for no the thief.
You see that time when this my husband they do those rubbish that I will make up. Where you know the matrix. Yeah. What you see that do that? Don't be now you boy can't they follow that time.
Yeah, when you take the fuck they get money, yes.
Now mama Clara told that day, it's a person where they do the asha, what do your husband they treat. This is not better than thief. Nobody go on the son to say you thief.
Yes, as you talk now, we use your own take me party, but your husband they collect money and you go they follow, you go they collect money. It better pass, you go the thief. Yeah, that one are true. Nobody go ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody go the
when don't see the thing don't was say men walk back at me for your hand. Should be correct.
Yeah, when I can't share the money, yes.
The money 50-50.
Yes.
And now I can't be say for 50-50 now because they collect everything. That's why they be. You see, this life now brain they say they live life. If the man say wicked, you go tell her say you wicked. You see, say your man they maltreat you, I know they give you money, they do any, they go outside the kitchen. You know, say go outside, go carry one man. I say this.
That one not true.
And they go say they beat you, they fight, they beat you for yesterday, they join 150 euro.
All this evidence not shock. They use my mouth, they talk now, say na saga. Saga 50 na lie, 100 na lie, na 2 be truth. When men walk back there for his hand that time, before he head come correct, he go they follow man. He go they follow man. Now this one goes, he say, why are you supporting single mother? The single mother no better pass this one. Baby elephant, Stella, baby elephant. Stack Momo. Even when the saga you today, they join the adulterous girl. She still talk and say, and not get they join single mother, not be say they pay, they get everything because the bully they were bullying single mother was too much. Let me know because they support them. The useless woman Stack Momo. Even though they talk like shit, they talk like elephants. You see, talk true for that one yesterday. I will say no get they gain anything because they bully them so much. Single mother not better person. You don't saga mommy 3D. Now you can't say, my mommy 3D they talk truth. Mommy 3D, you are a darling. I love the way you throw bomb to her yesterday. No, don't you ever. Don't you ever. Go they follow Ibo. See married woman. Say men want bag me for you and that's not be break on correct. Diagnose all her children. He diagnose all her children. Children they talk. Man, how old are you? No me say they okay. Iya ye zuo. Iya ye mitan. Iya ye po. More. No be to talk oh. No be to talk. Clear again, my darling.
So they say the man they give her 150.
Okay, sir. People don't imagine that I can see I will lead them to go to.
Yes, if for not the thief.
You see that time where this man husband they do those rubbish that I will take up. Where you know they maltreat. Yeah. What you see they do that? Don't be that Oyibo I can't they follow that time.
Don't be that Oyibo. Una yera. Bless me not the yera. Double tap at 31 says not even up to 100 double tap. Mona power tap na gift you by me money go ave me rosi wa we la ave me art. Ave me arti wa enjoy. Mona double tap power tap. Ave the gift me. EJ oh I suppose they sleep now. I say make I call. Thank you. Ijo Wapa watapi wala wo evidence shock. Why I go they follow Oyibo? Oyibo and black oh. Oyibo and black. A right person say my man I not go snatch her from you. Now I walk back zoo go for be snatch waiting snap fire. What I want snap for you? The record shock us. Fake love. When your husband for the cry say, tell Papa me release my bola. Tell Papa me release my bola. Una never listen to that one. When I get domino like what wana ogi anita logbe. How could you? Person you were calling mama. You they call your godmother. You they follow your husband. They play love. How where you go? What we return logbe? How you take talk too much? Man, that woman they play that time. I see pain in her. So when you person when you like, when they support, they follow your husband, they play love. Anyone give a bomb and say, anyone give a bomb and say, we get be a cockba. Oh, I want to mwe shaguru. Oh, I want to mwe people when they sleep for under bridge. You cannot 40 jacket if you bring and come on. Oh yes, sign. Oh yes, sign. Oh yes, son. I just say I gotta follow that Oyibo that no be only Oyibo.
So they say the man they give her 150.
Okay, sir. People don't imagine that can see I go lay down to go to.
Yes, she for not the thief.
You see that time when this my husband they do those rubbish that I will take up. Where not the maltreat. Yeah. What you see say they do that. Not be now you buy can't they follow that time.
Yeah, when you take the fuck they get money, yes.
Now, Mama Dara thought that day. It's a person where they do the Asha, what because your husband they treat. It says more better than thief. Nobody go upon the son to say you thief.
Yes, as you talk now, we use your own me party, but your husband they collect money and you go they follow, you go they collect money. It better pass, you go the thief. Yeah, that one are true. Nobody go ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody go the
when does it say the thing don't was say men walk back me for your heart. It should be correct.
Yeah, una come to share the money, yes.
The money 50-50.
Yes.
And now it can't be say for 50-50 now because they collect everything. That's how they be. You see, this life now bread that they live life. If the man say wicked, you will tell us say wicked.
Yeah.
That's what they do. That be the one way you go the thief. Which thief? Thief now what they do?
Make we sorry for her. One of the right, no sorry. My person. Make we sorry for her. No sorry. Make we sorry for her. No sorry. Make we sorry for her. No mercy. Make we sorry for her. No sorry. Make we sorry for her. No sorry. Disgrace adulterous. Disgrace adulterous. Disgrace adulterous. Disgrace adulterous. How far? Have you drink a lot of water today? Disgrace, have you drunk a lot of water today? Make we sorry for her. No sorry. Make we sorry for her. No sorry. Make we sorry for her. No sorry. No peace for the
So delicious. Oh, one way.
No peace for the wickedness. Grace, I'll scatter you for this internet. That stigma go there with you. If you like, shout now. Go next life. You see that adulterous. Before 5 people comment, 2 people go right and back. You go block, you go tire. You go block, you go tire. How many people you want to block? How many people? No messing. Wait till they blowing so. Now disgrace. Because they blowing so for public. Wait till they blowing so. Now disgrace. Because they blowing so for public. How much Oyibo they give her every day? 400, 300. How much Oyibo they give her every day? 400. If I just press my husband say, we know they share 50-50. My husband not they would they know they take the pay picking. This guy goes the verse. This guy goes the verse. I'm gonna let me talk my husband. Not be one man go do this one. Oh. My husband go out a fast, give her money, say me can't give me can't give my baby. He really can't give me. Not be one man go 2,000. Don't go who talk Richards. Make una help me talk camo. This guy goes the verse. This guy goes the verse. Because I know how many times children money don't cause fight. Big fight for them. Big fight for them. May I play a game with another record? Now your words of mouth out they finish you. Words of mouth you can hear a boy.
Do I near the go outside the
So they say the man they give her 150.
okay, sir. People don't imagine that. That's like we lay down to go to.
Yes, it's for not the thief.
Now no case
You
with
see
their
that time
neck.
when this my husband they do those rubbish that I will make up. Where not the maltreat. Yeah. When you see that they do that. Don't be now you buy can't they follow that time.
Yeah, when you take the fuck they get money, yes.
Maybe I do not.
Now Mama Dara thought that day. It's a person where they do the Asha, what because your husband they treat. It says more better than thief. Nobody go on the sort to say you teach.
Yes, as you talk now, we use your own tell me paribas, your husband they collect money and you go they follow you go they collect money. It better pass, you go the thief. Yeah, that one are true. Nobody go ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody go the
when don't say the thing don't go say men walk back at me for your heart. It should be correct.
Yeah, una come to share the money.
The money 50-50.
Yes.
And now I can't be say for 50-50 now because they collect everything. That's how they be. You see, this life now pray that they live life. If the man say wicked, you will tell us say you wicked.
Yeah.
That's what they do. That be the one way you go the thief. Which thief? Thief now what you get it? You see, say your man they patriot me, I know they give you money, they go in here, they go outside the kitchen. You also go outside, go carry one man. That's so rich.
Yes, I go outside, go carry one man. That's so rich.
And they go say they beat you, they fight, they beat you for your children, they join 150 euro.
Imagine. You imagine what the person they marry, God forbid.
When I see you, they live fine, no. When I see you say it, okay. When I see you say it, okay. People say, Mama, you get all this thing for phone. You will try to calm her down. That is me for you. That's why I say, I know my friend. My friend know me. They know what I can do. No matter that thing when I go get about you, I can't. Yet. You do asulu when I go in it pay. You do asulu when man do boy go. But say that you want that you don't over drag me to that extent. And never will talk about money. And you fake up gossip, laugh me, mock me. When you know as that money take come, you know it belleful say, man, that send me your account. How that you 400? You can't even cut John and send a 500. You can't even cut John and send a 500. This not be greedy. Now it will be a woman that introduced a business of 50,000 euro to you through your in-bed for children. You give me 400 euro. Did I complain? No. I complain? No. Now your good go kill you. Ungrateful woman. Ungrateful soul. 50,000, see your life. 50,000 euro. Person go need money. You quit saying give her. Take it say you are your husband at the work. No, he say na him bear money. Na him bear money. Make don't you they grow now. You know go even get 1 naira for account for service. 400 or too small. May I show evidence? I take send everything give you. I take send all application give you. I take send all application give you. Yeah, when I Grace don't worry ya obomelare. You block me, you try to delete everything. It's not too late. You delete everything from your side. You not delete from my side. You get the way I take program my WhatsApp. Now make if I not say you know, but you cannot come. If you come, you go the bounce. You go the bounce.
This one I see AI.
Nah,
AI now.
Me normally me will not know how to. Me will not use know how to.
You understand my wife?
Use AI. Me ne go alu.
Now you come they look for me.
Me ne go alu AI. Now make I tell say my darling husband leave her for me. Okay, regbe ofeno. Ofeno. I wish that one will just send me the 400 or now not there. People say, Allah. Allah.
You never see why evidence become as yesterday.
Allah. Allah.
Esther Popov, no, don't take that one.
Just say Allah.
Why woke Jerry no sungu?
Allah.
Mama no ya biya ya memere.
Allah.
Mo si yin agbe.
Utoge.
Ben ni wi ai. Mo si yin agbe. God shall prove the chef. Maybe elephant. Oya, but you know the now.
When I beg call me look this morning.
I don't go block her. How dare you? You block me before. At the end of the day, you can't go and block me. You know, follow me. Or assume.
Allah. Get some things when I want.
When you can't let this work on me, man, understand.
Okay. Oh, I don't see there. Make I don't see there. Evidence. Yeah, I have finished it with.
Pastor Grace.
I want flash the.
Do saga.
I want turn the camera to my phone.
To do saga now. I want
turn the camera to my phone. Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, well, me talking more.
Okay.
I'm show number.
Number. Una see my people. Okay. Una see Grace. Una see Grace. Onimo.
Oni.
Una see
Onimo.
See the first application when I send her.
DJ Keba.
See her, I'm not send another person WhatsApp. Una see her? Grace. Okay, so they see her. See the first application when I send her.
Onimo.
Where? See her. Aoka. See the application here. Una see the thing here. Make I cover her because of some people. Not be me go give una for free. Cause una be ungrateful some people. See her. Una see her. The application. I need to cover her. I need to cover the name of the thing some more. So they know her. So I need to cover her some more. One application I be this evidence, Sarah. So so when they calculate money, how much they want pay? It can be say na 18,000. Now they go pay. He can calculate all money. It can be saying that 18,000 they go pay and say money go reach. For children we not dey okay. It can be saying that 18,000 euros. But unfortunately the money not can reach 18,000 euros.
What about that for my wife?
They can't give her 15.
See
Yama here we back off for Nigeria. We say I go buy and say God forbid. What's I want buy her for? What's I want buy for? So another evidence again. So person because of the name security purpose. So I can't see show on this one again. See Aoka. Wanna see her?
Wait, me I see something.
Aoka because
they said that for.
Now me go send the again now.
Play the voice note.
Go send the again. Me when they play voice note, ma open the again. I no get straight to voice note.
Hey, Grace, no, don't come out for life. We want to now. That's true.
So.
See omega 3
see omega 3 say since your children brain not correct, so they not they learn. So make they.
She vex say.
What for no say? Not be another person. Not be another person. I go put to as Grace nine.
She vex say before you do the finish, I know allow and get up for. Yes, that. If you want to escape.
So see the other name again. See the other name again. I can't use and cover some name. He reached for when I send and all of them they come gather together, give her the money.
2 days that was
see the other one again. I can't use and cover my name. See my children bed.
Because they can't go. Tomorrow.
See my children bed. Ungrateful soul. See the other one again.
You teach her many things.
I teach her many things now. See the other one again. I can't share and give her. See this one Anna. See this one. See see this one.
See evidence of.
See 1,600 euro. 1,600 euro. This application. 1,600 euro. They come pay times 4 in 2 months.
Wow.
1,600 euro times 4 in 2 months. They say we are not now the application be this. I know I'm me to show.
Yeah,
so man no show be.
Okay, Anya. I'm very new.
Nasia. Nasia. She was so happy. Mama Nora, now what husband go give you?
Now I get the fake account out of.
Now what husband go give you?
Oh, you be the suspect.
Now what husband go give you?
I don't want me Nora. I be they call you. Good morning. Baby, you they busy.
See another one again. See another one again. I show her a lot. I'm not a dog woman.
They're not right and put. No, say normally therefore put and say eBay. I know see something like that for inside. I think they're not the right.
I show her a lot.
Onimo.
So, you can't defend that, B. Reprove what they caught it there. When they caught it, me caught it defense, say, na lie.
Nah, yeah.
Guy, all of us, they call, they make calculation. 1,003, 7,000, 7,000, 1,000, all call they go 18,000. Say the money go reach 18,000. Say you go give me 1,000 before they come pay 15,000. I know say oh bona this have been make calculation well.
Nah, yeah.
Sabi make calculation well. Alpha. That time we goes at the Sagami down and normal. Now because na give me say go at the Sagami o. Say na go at the same people come. I want flip and come my side. Flip. So my people, una see am. I mean you they use like they do saga. A meeting 100,000, 200,000. A meeting 3 again. See
I'll be a bump for you.
Mommy Nora full stuff meeting.
Yo.
See payment when they pay. You see, Mommy Nora full stop meeting. See people we don't pay, so don't even pay 3 months. Whenever I enter a person, don't pay 3 months. You try to spoil my business, you can't.
You do.
Okay, my husband, okay. When I say don't wait for your husband for the cry, say, may they return Igbola. When your husband for the cry, should we play it or I go pay? People are still call me. I say I don't need people again. Grace, why you can't do a VAT for me? Why you can't do a VAT for me? Eh? Why you can't do a VAT for you? Do a VAT for me, oh. Baby girl. Disgrace, you do a VAT for me. Mama, when you tell her this thing, so said the singer. You do a VAT for me, 100 kpm. You do a VAT for me, eh? People will come yesterday, I say, it don't let to. If you feel join, you pay January and February. Mama, I'm ready. That one, 200,000, go fit now. Mama, go pay. You know, oh God.
They say, so what I can call again, they say, okay, make the man go out, make me come back with my 2 children. Say, the man need to come out for 2 weeks, he no talk to me, no call the children, nothing, further notice before they go know where he go.
This one are the record of Dominion Talk Show, our friend, our Grace. Disgrace. If they gossip your husband to them. When you know say the woman, when they gossip your husband to, you they love your husband. You they love high K. As you not get sense, as you they so low and stupid rich. Person when you they love your husband, you call they gossip your husband to them. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, Grace? Oh, Gregory Muweria, ugu calculate, say. So people say, that not be money, oh. Make una de crazy, now. You get special picking, you want run mad. So the benefit when you want, when you see they come out for his side, and they see some popular folk, I know if you collect that money, that not be money, sister, they crazy. They crazy. This is how Ebola would they will contact you say is you have to take it. If you know, you know. If you don't know, they don't care. They don't care. My benefit, they collect the money. That will not be money. How you go collect that kind of money? How you go collect that kind of money? Una no stress when you there. So we can't see get blessed country when you know the apple for Nigeria. We know the apple for Nigeria. You call the farm, and I go take o, and I go take o. Only go. One say, ye do answer no we. Eri azuo. Akiamo ekere yakara wa agwa yakara. And you know ke buela dia ugurie that not be money o. Just the grace. To say the occurrence you say you need to apply for this. If you don't know, they will not tell you. You need to know before they will put you through. Now man they can make man for public. It get what we go be say even Oyibo people they do one. Oyibo people they do one. If you know, you know. Even so Oyibo say we be say they go everywhere help you son and say now me they take care of your pikin, you go they pay them and Allah. What we be say person go they help you they mop grant every month. They don't say nobody they help us. They pay put 131 euro every month. Holiday money once in a year 3,000 euro. You want go relax your head, you dey traumatized. They go give you 3,000 euro. They pay put. And then one claim again, another take Republic, another take Uzuo, who con the war? Who con the war? Yeah.
Say because you know go fit stay here with me anymore. Say because the problem is too much. Okay, may you come out. Say, since it be like that, because you know,
what's it?
We hear inside car for almost 1 hour. They never come and I said, my picky way senior mom say, no, go check up. Yeah, wait till they do. I also say that they call by you the shots. Okay. Now police say that the law say need to come out. He say yes, he knows that the law. We will see courts. We will see courts.
Variety TV, AJ cut it with a man now. No, my sister. The reason why.
Mama not know what they talk. And when you say me she not go court, they go collect the children or they go against the lady.
No, you know say some people they not be waiting you expect they go talk. You understand? If in a man way be say if they talk anyhow and maybe they keep proof of things down where you don't know. And they can't say on a go court. At the end of the day, you can't reach that time. All those things can't go shock person. And that one made the talk. Now make me the talker.
The man not get proof. The man not get proof when she in the keep.
Okay.
The man not get proof.
All right.
Mama Gospel. I beg, tell Mama say how many times this man got to wish me when no work.
Now you know one need the man now.
Wow.
Now you don't want need the man. Even though I still go court, the still judge and say make the man come out for the house. He go still carry the man, make the man pay the government back the enter. Not be 1 year, they still give una that day, make una test separate. After 1 year, they'll go ask for una question. But you never reach 1 month where they do it. The man still they come. You will say you can't carry children go school because you with they share money, make it call the help to the carry picking. My sister, single mother know they keep person.
Variety TV. I'm not they share the money.
When they share money,
The money, which account the money?
50.
But the money they go account once. If they go one person account.
Account,
Grace will go with you. Now, what type of me say kid that get pay 1K for the 4 children? Grace will go with dollar and call you go give the man. Grace not with dollar, the man will beat them. Not today.
Allah would see anything. He did not run no ga. Oh, when one or two they talk about Manora. No one they praise my husband. This guy go on. No money gone. I know they play a pass there. When I call yet disgrace. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Enogie. Recession they come and beg. I want make a money not to. Not give me money. Gonna go pay. Yeah. Hello.
Service?
Yeah.
Service?
No. It's okay, yeah. But please, a minute. Come. It's too
Yeah. On the reception, on them.
a recession.
Yeah, reception.
Or can I put this? I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, after reception.
Okay. Like, okay.
Sure.
Okay. Now not go spray me money. No more. Evidence they clap at it for my phone. Same moment 3D they cough. Evidence. Borrow hand and leg. They grow, they get belly, they go for my phone. Hey, I say out Dominionatic begin now. Dominionatic. Oh. I not give Dominion listing here. They will give me. Wa marry on a Dominion here because I know like they will give me. Wanna double tap. Where money go, man? Where my fans? I told my husband, you are too bigger than this. Person come yesterday say, Mommy Nora, Grace say you dey shop medicine. Not truth. You feel talking. Not truth. Now I say, wow, Grace say I dey shop medicine. Yes, my sister, they shop medicine. And they talk every day, say, my twins, they give me BP. Sometimes he dey high, sometimes he dey calm down. If he has, see how my body be, I dey take medicine for my BP. I will get the machine for us. But she get diabetes when she dey cure. Not be all food she dey eat. Not be all food we dey eat. I feel they manage my BP. I eat healthy. I drink a lot of water. I feel stay for 3 months. I know they eat BP. First you see when you see rise, stress, I go see take on. That is the tablet I'm taking. 2001, they wash me and they talk on. I don't know the meaning of BP before, but when I get belly of twins, I know the meaning of BP. My twins give me BP. And they talk on all the time. All the time. My twins pregnancy now can't know the meaning of BP. Your BP is high. What is BP? Your BP is high. Your BP is high. So as I born till now, sometimes you go see calm down. Don't say 2, 3 months, 6 months. I not take tablet. I go just still live on. The time you come and see you get diabetes. I said, Grace, now normal thing. Everybody is shop medicine for this Europe. Since I tell born my BP they high. Now make a UCS stay born. A Euro, the now with the green me UCS stay born. You said that one are normal. Now BP medicine want to laugh me. I will carry and follow body here. In case I too stressed, my BP one high, I go take her. She'll feel manage anything they do you. No shaky. Now not many people when get out they don't even know. They go stress. So they call the pull life for spiritual head. Now spiritual na village and not BP na ikpayam. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I cook healthy. I don't drink, I don't smoke. Maybe not in next year, I go stop. If I don't sit up and say, I detect no problem. Now, BP medicine want to laugh me. When you get diabetes and BP, which one better pass? When they eat, they drink anyhow. You will not they manage yourself, they manage your condition. For this Jamie, before you see they eat medicine, it they hard. It they hard. Not many young girls we never born we get fibroid. You know how many young girls we never born we get diabetes. You know how many young girls we never born we get BP. Talk to say like what Pikin give me, I call the shit to talk for public. No, I don't go there as shit to talk for public. I don't go there as shit to talk for public. Are you mad or something? If they eat medicine, if they take medicine, if they eat medicine, if they eat why I not eat medicine? Why I not take my BP medicine if I need them? Why not take my BP medicine if I need them? We know I need baby me. We know I need diabetes. Diabetes, go and ask. This sickness too again, they call they call ulcer. Not many people they cure ulcer. Ulcer they people body for many years. No Greek or mot. Wow. BP get medicine. Isha, who talk this kind of word? Mommy yo. Not all they see for public. If BP get medicine. Not talking for public. Not talking for public. You know, say you do BP, you get BP, they get you, they do saga. You know, say nation BP, BP is a nation. I mean, na nation. Sickness, so the nation, oh, they. There are some people who be say their family na BP that they get. Their family na BP that they get. Like make if anything the doctor go ask you say who get it for family. This cancer, what they talk? Some people they written for family. Cancer, they written for family. People when we go school say yes. You can control it, of course. I'll do blood tests. I'm so strong and healthy. Strong and healthy. Now my BP is 120, 130. If it's too high, 140. Doctor say, wow, super. How do you do it? Because I eat good. I do control. I do okay, I get rest of mind. Demand. You in the shop medicine. You when your children they shop medicine. And me when children put for that condition, which one good pass? May I play the record?
But you never reach 1 month where they do, and the man still they come. You will say you can't carry children go school because you with the share money, make you call the help to the carry picking. My sister, single mother not they keep person.
Variety TV. I'm not they share the money.
They share money.
The money, which account the money? But the money they go account once. If they go one person account.
Create your book within a 1,000 million say kid that get pay 1K for the 4 children. Create your book withdraw and call you go give the man.
Ah.
Not withdraw and the man go beat them.
Ijo.
Not today.
Grace. A boy na lono. Me away.
God, I beg you cannot be juju. You do feel Grace. Did you not get this one? That they need to do the whole one for Europe.
I saw you.
You never come up for Libya. Libya never wants to come out.
What you call the apple now?
You can let people because you dey bath. You say you too pay for bedroom, may you come and
be surprised for that one. I surprised.
I don't understand.
I surprised.
Now that shot, you have to call the lockdown. I make that woman every year to shake the shot.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Because the woman not call police. Now this man will kill you one day. And every day they tell you this man will stab you, go kill you, you go die. You know, go believe.
Not be like. No, just one now. The way when they see ourselves.
You don't need the man again. Let them carry the man come up for the house. Government will call the place for the house for you.
He's already come out. He's already come out now.
He can't come up for 1 week or for 2 weeks. Not be as a no with the wife, put your own. Do your own finance. You don't go finish. You children, 4 boys and 1 girl, waiting they find. I don't understand you. If you are pricky, for everywhere to fuck. Now single mother for past married women for this Dutchland. I be single mother too, and all this.
How na just say no say na single mother na do and pass married man. I will not tell you. I don't care what you want to talk. I don't care what you want to talk. No, not be all married women. Not be all married women. Man, they beat eh. Not be all eh. Not be all. No, my sister, not be all. Why my own not be like that? You don't move my. Mama, I want to ask one question. No, wait, if it's not the way it's up. Now, lie, my own not be like that. No verse, my own not be like that. God forbid.
You see, if their house don't mean Yamayama, don't say no home is perfect. He say home we fight, not the insult go there. The record long go. Home we fight, not the insult go there. Comment faint this year. You we thought that was say, see, let me tell you, some of them even do not go come on and go research. Everybody get BP. All women get fibroid. All women get fibroid. Now the one we you rise, they operate, go can't grow. Not be everybody you they grow. Fibroid they every woman belly. When your whole can't grow, go can't lead to operation. Everybody get BP. Everybody. Be you as a man and a woman. Everybody get BP. If you too short, the thing goes spark. That means some kind of dig go worry una. Una think say na normal headache. Na your headache, na your BP, na strike. If you need relax, the thing go see calm down. You not go even know. Say your BP is strike. You think say na normal fever or normal headache. Everybody get BP. Everybody. Some of them don't know how to research. Pas for agbele ka you way. All women get fibroid. No get grow how operate.
My own don't be like that. With the argue. Say fight, insult, God forbid. Mama, you know, say for you know what me. No.
Never that low one was fast.
You know what they let me rest with that shower. Asha won't kill your mama. The mama in the cough now. The mama never tell. Asha won't kill your mama. Your mama be alive now. Your mother never die now. I don't tell you. Okay. I don't know whether the man. Now useless guy. Now Asha won't kill your mama. You be ashawo. No man will fuck this your toto. Say you did the way you go die. I prepare to go Nigeria this year. He said I go Nigeria go die to you get my shot. Okay, so they do this one. We on to the country. You did that. You know, say they always taste that jaro. You know, say I tell you that they say. Now the one we seen your mama that day we fight me last month. Now the one we seen your mama call police for her. Yeah, because I said that boy, like the one we seen your baby years, then I call police for the man. Now I call police for her. The police quite different. I said nothing like the kid. Don't we they go that day we go say that people when they there they are call police. Who can get you know some like that you go see the cover for a not be but police say that person with the agent that he call them. You go to say that this woman when he face you like call police and your son because he dey beat you. My sister better leave the man friend and make them carry the man friend and come out. You can't let the man they give variety TV and I make no one live. Nothing they give us mama, nothing they give me. Mama come back will gist you. You know many more. You know many years now. You know fucking. Toto go dey dry water oh. Hey, I better zip my shirt. You go they drive water. Ataya.
Why will you gift to no one? Why will you encourage no one? Person say how many months he never fuck. Toto don't call. Let make it easy for it also for easy boy bola. Una see the reason why it also for easy boy bola. I said Jama frustrate this girl she dress so take bear ticket. He said mama now if you see waiting. I said my husband the verse for me till now why you not record this girl? He bet ticket go no Nigeria, no spiritual, no juju when this girl not do for his children. We not do for his children. Now make it the hustle for easy boy, but like case he go Nigeria because she don't cast for Europe. I wear na mufua. I wear na mufua. Ari we mufua. A woman you call your friend, you call her godmother. Your husband call toast you. You call Red Hotel. Yeah, make money ban. I go play that one. If not be today, go be next. Tomorrow. You call Red Hotel. Go meet married man we deal with wife for us. Hotel waste. The man not come. You can't use angry quarrel. Go back. As you reach, as you begin the saga there, because the boy not gonna knock you. If that was that man, see chance to knock you now, you go see wife, you go see say, mama, mommy, and you they knock your husband. You they knock your husband. Now make I support that man that time. Man is free to like just say, Oga, why you go knock married woman? Not be married man open leg for the man. Man can toast anybody. I go at just now go do eyes choppy. Person toast me. Oga, I'm married, 4 children. We want to party. My husband the hotel. He said, oh, I'm sorry, my sister. I said, no problem. Shebi, I wish I would put it. I'm fine. My name is Priceless. But TikTok people call me Pastor Grace. They call me Pastor Grace on TikTok, but my name is Priceless. He go collect my number. The way you tell follow my or put it, now you go call say, road. Even if you take me time, road there, yeah. Man can toast anybody. Say we shall be ice shopping again. Yes, ice shopping. If you don't want to buy, you can just look around, enter store, test on. That is ice shopping. Man have the right to toast anybody. They don't have to blame any man. Say he's a married woman. You don't know say married. Yeah. She'll toast someone. Say they happy so much. Say my husband say I don't go. Say man say toast me, but you go let the man know. Say no level. Man toast me today. Why not tell them say, my name is Presley, but people call me Pastor Grace on TikTok. No problem. You want my number? Okay, no problem. You go get hope. You want it or you ever apologize? My sister, I'm sorry. I said, no, that would take me my husband and lodge. I can't do house shopping. I'm married with 4 children. They can toast anybody. Now they first on me. He can verse me. Oh, what do y'all know ye ke? Ore peya. Omo eyaga. Oh, what do ora wene? Oh, what do ora wene? And Nigeria generation ma you go umo eyaga na Nigeria would we go drop and go my enter corner knock for Europe either hotel or your house. Either hotel or your home. You see where they battle for DNA, so many to do DNA for their children. On a master na yane DNA. Now they say, he not love you, he not trust you. Like you guys will lose a trust in it. Now call the fuck quarrel. If your husband love you and trust you, not go ask for DNA. Why you not go ask? Oh God, you don't need to ever ask. Why so why will you ask man for the woman for DNA when he be say you can do it without the man, without the woman? They don't need anything for that woman. It's you. Now you they need something for. So the DNA is covered already for the woman. But for you, you don't need permission before you do DNA for your children. Go and make appointment for your children, for your wife back. Yeah. The appointment don't reach. My wife relax. You have them all at where. Carry they go. Don't let that money pay you. They gather some more money. They tell you say your 3 children see how much, your 4 children see how much, your 2 children. Gather at the time. Don't make appointment. I want to take my children out. I want you to relax, my wife. You relax, my good woman. I love you so much. The wall at the we DNA without the woman. Don't even ask. The woman can say no problem. No, not that smart. They don't need to for the woman now from you. Either with air or with brush, anything with spit. My children are saliva. They take one. That's when they shook for nose. The log. They shook her for my husband mouth. They roll. Shook her for your mouth again. Roll. Put her. They seal her by. Carry my daughter out. Shook her for your mouth. Roll. Shook her for you again. Roll. Now that day I know how to take they do DNA. Me up is maybe in our blood. They go take. I don't know say I will spit. Me they tell my husband say before they reach hospital this spit not go dry. He say boss here. Only before they reach hospital, all this thing go take prove and say no, you no go fake, you no go dry. So you not see where they put on so the sealer breeze not go enter, nothing go enter. Now that day I know how to do then. I don't know. Me say they'll draw blood, draw that one blood, they'll go do it. I don't know. Now speed they use. Don't you ask your wife, my man in the house. Don't ask your wife, do it yourself. If you come out where that gift for that woman, I love you so much. You're a good woman. The woman got a surprise. Say, when my husband buy me gift, why? Because he's a faithful woman. Your children belongs to you. You want to do DNA, you go to consult the woman, say, let's go do DNA. The woman call some friend. They'll say, your wife, your husband not trust you. He not trust you. Don't ask your when I expect you on the phone, no ask your wife permission. Okay, go. Yeah, make appointment your bed doctor. No view well at why when you use McDonald's blind, they go forget. Did they see if they reach road? As they don't go for remember. Go to Papa carry us. Go see na McDonald's. You don't do a carry they go McDonald's. Buy McDonald's for the thief blind their bread. They go forget. Carry they go another place again. Buy something for them. Now that place where you carry they go there their bread that moment. They don't go remember. See you carry they go to a place. Where that they carry you go? We go to McDonald's. We go to ice cream. Papa buy ice cream for us. They cannot explain. Say they go down to a place, go put spit or go cut head. They don't go remember. Now that McDonald's they go dead their heads. My women, I'm sorry if they give me expo. Yes. I went all via le restaurants here, daily twice in a year. Bad things for them. That one go, Papa. Cause we women carry children come out, carry the hectares. Now that will go fair us. Where Papa carry you go? Mama, we eat McDonald's. Mommy, we eat ice cream. Papa buy she got for me. Papa buy me lollipop. I give Jerome daughter. They not go remember daughter again. Never. Why one nigga to no fall out that care when okay the one go will be more. Ekin again na wa do ma say na yawe DNA. O ma say na yawe DNA. O ma say ma ona see come across it to single mother. Eh? Do DNA go dey ask woman for what? Make I play more. My me rockba. Ya igbo na ya lo ye say we are no make here. Why we had a gift to me? My plan for yours dry. If I know this, I don't they throw away money gone for our. If I know this, I don't they throw away small baby lion for our. My that did not just so honey is not a to organ not just. I don't they throw away money gone for our. I don't they throw away baby lion for our. Back for. Come away, a square baby goes at low but no, they follow me, they argue and descend. You want to do DNA to children, you go to ask your woman. We ask her for what? Permission for what?
Oh, yeah, no.
This one and man when you pray for you, when you tell it, you not get what you want. See, it's one for us. You can't lecture and begin because you get double. It's far for us. The man can you see the double.
It's not free. It said DNA should be free for everyone. If the government requests, your money will be cheap. If the government do not request, you will pay money. The government requests for our own, so we pay 150 euro. Yes, 150 euro we pay. Now we pay for our own. Then I remember 150 euro. But they can say they go hard the red journal for government. But I don't know if they see our journal of not the money we pay. I don't know. DNA is not a free. I'll stop for here. We'll play and finish tomorrow. It's a very cheap, yeah. Because our government na request. Very cheap. May I play one? Lady J can follow this guy they discuss. Now Lady J can say people like IKO, they will get as an all tutor, they will get a big bowler. He say nothing dead here. Oh, how you take see? How you take see? He say nothing dead here, nothing dead here. Audio na woyi. Audio na woyi. I'm a gbele ya fo. When you cast your balo, you will be no aveve. Eke, uka aveve ne. Ya izek bue. Who like plafo you? Who do you de? People wait till they look down, look, respect you small. Don't say, not so this woman rich. And you wanna what they say, in the working anything. I would say I want to use you turn to be that. Oh, we just oh, don't I may okay, I'm you. I'll see her. Oh my God. Oh my God. Imana you I go and arrange everything till your Monday. Imamia oh no where my husband bola big pass you. My husband bola big pass you. My husband bola big pass you. Wow, people they request. So before I'll find the audio, so may I bring people come up. Before I break, so when my before the one we husband for the cry say me the papa me return in bola I make money. I make money. Ooh, Ice Queen, thank you. Thank you.
Don Ike and Dominion Talk Show, your wife don't really finish. Grace, this grace, you be really this grace, okay. Don Ike and Dominion Talk Show, your wife don't really finish. Grace, this grace, you be really this grace, okay. This grace. Make una hear the audio way be say this grace they put her husband for left, put act don't act join her. Yes, your husband make it papa return deep come back.
Bola. Never. This comment say, why Why will you be against it as a woman? Do you know they exchange your baby in the hospital? It may be in Nigeria, but Europe, it don't happen. If you want born for Europe, I don't know for other people, you go be like say, now you be the president's wife. The way doctors, nurse go take surround you, go be like say, you be queen and princess. As the pikin they come out, and not go carry out immediately, the name they put up for your hand once. It may be happen in Nigeria, but in Europe, when me take start for my own time, you know they happen. So they exchange baby. More not use that one to give excuse on women, say they exchange your baby. Who are Yahweh Kiawe? Who that way? Boy, Konuwa. Shall be the exchange baby. Baby like Nigeria, that nonsense they happen, not be here. You know how many doctors will follow you to the hospital? Go be like say na your papa na he get money pass for this life. Doctor ikpokwa, nurse ikpokwa. They want to attend to only you. Who they look computer, go they look computer. Who they give cotton, go they give cotton. Who they give scissors, go they give scissors. Who they read down, go they read down. And then they put down, they don't tie neck, tie her already. When they bring my twins come out, first one they put something, Nelly. Second one, they put something Nada. They put her for my chest immediately. Amaka Amo Ario Wane with red on their body. They put her for my body already. Put some that in. Even if they go clean the that you go dead their hand. Yeah, we can't no one more con one where you exchange your momo. Yeah, we boo.
Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
ask question.
Fabito, say Fabito Alpha. I take three. Now be waiting for us to tell you do your live video for that side. Now waiting me use my mouth to tell her. This guy book hotel, he can't bring me. Bring me here. He can't bring me.
Because I dare ask.
I not go. Now he come from to that Alpha.
Now the man when they are two guys they play love. Now they talk so. The man when got they play love, they play with his wife. Now the man they talk so. He book hotel go Bremen. The way you see buy ticket go Netherlands go knock Percy Bola. Go knock Bola for Netherlands. Married woman. Now here we use the man talk and say he go see Karima. Now the man they confess so they talk so.
This is all from you. Hey, my wife, ask me how they talk now. This guy, so this adulterous woman, they.
Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
ask question.
Fabito, say Fabito Alpha. I take three. Now be waiting for us to tell you do your live video for that side. Now waiting me use my mouth to tell her. This guy book hotel, he can't bring me. Bring me here. He can't bring me.
Because I dare ask.
I not go. Now he come from to that Alpha. This is all from you. Hey, my wife, ask me how they talk now. This guy, so this adulterous woman, they bring me here. They will tell. We not tell no get that one. But TV also go you don't tell you don't get that one. We be say you don't saga, you don't call papa cause mama, cause all your generation say you don't give we cannot give a documents. You're not ashamed.
Record the way the record the one I can talk about Baligbe. Where you take what Baligbe. You know say they with us. People where they hear Dosh, I go post them for her. May they listen to the Dosh. Where you record, come give us. Where you take home donation, we for where they call them for Baligbe. You understand? Okay, why block it? You just block and make carry one go. Even this one also, but more still live and more give and grace. More still live and small. Yes, yeah.
That's Alpha Fabito.
He say if they bring baby out, they must carry the baby, go bathroom first, then bring her back. No, mine was not like that. With the everything for a body, just you take come and say they take put her for my chest that moment. And it's a strong connection between woman and their children, or if not some men who carry the go need that moment. They not the bathroom. They don't do it, they don't carry and go bathroom, bring her again. With that is everything we follow and command. With even now my chest they forgot this thing come on top of my chest they forgot. I don't know for any other place so I mean more than a waiting I don't experience. On top of my chest they forgot my baby placenta. They'll come carry and go back and carry and come give you. They don't do that. You know they make connection they strong. That moment they go put on top of her body. I don't know for any other hospital, any other city, again, and we are for born, and waiting experience, again, now they talk.
Good evening, precious.
I don't feel like I said, yes, I just get the hotel. This girl do take for Bremen. I don't feel like this.
You guys go to
after I did not pass, now I call right. This are doctors woman who are one. I call and say,
let me be
Grace, after I know say me like guy because me I know say they record this girl. Yeah, they record that. You understand? I say no say me. I came on me they jealous you. Food with me the job. I don't have other people the job for his side. Don't be saying now, don't leave my wife now. Me I call day now. I can't see man when they disturb me say why you marry my wife. You say okay. You want to marry me with five, you know. I won't marry you.
Okay.
Your children are my children. Yeah, I see you give my value. You only give my car.
Hallelujah. Your children are my children.
You understand? Now I come ask her. Say, Alpha, you are Infinity Saga. You are Infinity Saga. When I see because at the year say you did date Infinity Saga. Alpha. And that's what tell me. Sweetheart. Now sweetheart they call me
Barret Ruba. They call her sweetheart.
they say that
my love, I beg. Infinity
they say
Saga.
that you.
Infinity Saga don't matter. It don't pass. Yes, we tell they talk. Say if friend Infinity Saga. Yes, he friend her.
If friend Infinity
He
Saga.
go for us. The time we say go there, Infinity Saga wife get belay. Infinity Saga carry go hotel. He can go lodge hotel with your money.
I pay 6,000 euro come outside.
With your money, 19 lodge hotel. He carry 6,000 euro come up. He carry 6,000 euro go Bendy.
Where Infinity Saga?
Where Infinity Saga dey for hotel 6,000 euro. I carry go from Germany. 6,000 euro finish.
You said that 6,000 euro you want to carry come where you do. You remember?
She says 6,000 euro. Sit down, you see carry.
Can you?
Say if you want to come with my husband, then at 6,000 euro you go see carry.
That's okay.
He said guys where they invite her, when they go they see. Apart from Infinity Saga, he said no they go there with ordinary hands.
That's no problem. That's it. If I want to birthday, that's last year, not this year. Last year, where celebrate my birthday. I will tell now because I just okay. Worry with her. And the fear, we don't knock my wife gas. I'll come for us. Now I say, this is my birthday soon. When you and my wife conclude, say, how far I want to come. No, you all talk out where. And they record them, anywhere they talk. And they said that my wife did work. And they said I'm going to give my wife go fit.
Now, I not so hero.
I don't want to. You understand?
I make a roll come outside.
I don't bring her come out. The secret is I don't bring her come out. I tire for Selufina, I got for her.
Me and my husband will keep the secret for her.
Nobody knows. Say this is not rumor. Say Papa carry husband penis. Nobody know.
Nobody knows if Papa carry husband penis.
But she tell me, I'm boring. 3 years. Okay, now this man will cry for his ass.
And the evidence there, oh. The evidence there, where your husband for the cry, say, tell your husband me return my bola, tell me bring my penis, tell me bring my penis. He said the girl the thought say, me and my husband get lost, say Papa don't die. I wish Papa never die. Now something Papa go without point. He go deport me and my husband. Even if we get document, tell our document go rubbish for their eyes. We get lost, say the time we take follow and do problem. If Papa don't die, he can go test him for your husband body. Papa no quick can return Ebola before Papa buy. Papa come buy, come carry Ebola. Carry Ebola cobot.
This go for me. Tell Papa me bring my Ebola go for me. This boy go cry for his ass. How the year? This idiot woman. He was he put me for call. Oh, I'm way a call. So this also, this also the talk. He did cry for it.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you. What are gift? Wow. Thank you.
Tell Papa me bring my bola come for me. Tell Papa me bring my bola come for me. You tell your pa not there now. Go wake your pa for grace. Me bring my gola come for me. AK Bonamuna.
Audio day.
Yeah. Fair play that audio when you play today. Play that audio if you as you don't reach this place soon, you go play the audio when you because every point have to take their audio. You understand? For the ones who don't ready.
This body cry. This.
Ooh, Ice Queen, thank you. Thank you. I love you.
This body cry.
God forbid, though, my husband not fish up person like this, so God forbid. If my husband wants to short cheat on me, not be this kind of person, God forbid. Osas, please don't make that comment again. Say no, why you not shop out too? God forbid. Hey. Like your husband talk so.
Wait,
understand?
Ask question. Hey, you call my husband when on the fight.
Dead father.
You call my husband when on the fight, or you not call my husband when you with your husband the fight. You call my husband. The question is yes. I was aware. If anything,
This girl, this stupid rich, eh? When I say, oh, hey, adulterers don't enter a brain. Man, when they toast you, man, one of the guy they play love. You and your husband, they get problem. You can't they call the man, they put her for conference, make the man for no say you and your husband get problem. Eric is so con. Oh, me no toast to where we back be lovey. When I call her a boy who back gonna down you, me see the way your boyfriend tell your husband tell they maltreat you.
You know the reason why they go back to you because we use our clean mind say they follow you.
Open up to
a good mind, but me
open up to her. Say yes, in girls when I'm married with my boss.
Because they want to make my enemy bye.
Lady Jaffa. America do veni agualo. Lady Jaffa na. You have anything to say? If she was a person. If she was a person.
Make a bit of my beggar in a way. Oh, be a. I can't do the way of Wuhan. Or to way. Where I call over hand with some more.
Sign the paper and give like.
When I yell, you just see a leg one.
This is your money.
God forbid.
So we may get men to. Yeah, well, we meant. My husband bola big pass your own. My husband bola big pass your own. I want to send the recording ni gume video ni gume. Biana mi video ni o. Yo. Mana mi when I say more I see call me more. Every video see the way say I don't know when they talk much. Now he wears I tell the beats and he wears. Okay. See ya.
Big pass your own. Big pass your own. Big pass your own. Big pass your own.
Wanna listen to?
Big pass your own. 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 Big pass your own.
Don't trust women abroad. The rain will make them sleep around their matrimonial home for abroad. It was. Well, we are here. You were going to win, but like it. I tell no, I soon we're dressing all.
Mary Peter. May I repeat?
Yeah, that came I bear you way. I came I want to tell you away. They kill off wet bus like
May I repeat?
Yeah, kill off way of Bolos like that came I way. That okay, little
You go marry my 5 children.
They say your husband can't be Pasakio. Are you tell us your husband can't be Pasakio? That came when I do it. If your husband can't be Pasakio, what?
Can't big passion. My husband can't big passion. My husband can't big passion. My husband can't big passion.
Una listen, no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big
I
passion.
tell no.
My husband can't big
I
passion.
tell no.
My husband can't big passion. My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
Una know what una want do for me, bloggers. I beg, I want mu dey do this voice. If na fit use and do sound. This particular place, I want to use and do sound for me. Make we do it down. My husband go la big pass your own. My husband go la big. I say no. 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 I be wanna use and do sound for me. May I repeat her?
Can't big passion. My husband can't big passion. My husband can't big passion. My husband can't big passion.
Una listen, no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big
I
passion.
tell no.
My husband can't big
I
passion.
tell no.
My husband can't big
I
passion.
tell no.
My husband can't big passion. My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big
I
passion.
tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
I tell no.
My husband can't big passion.
Adulterous women abroad. The rate where women today sleep around their matrimonial home over abroad. It's too much. Well, we are here. If you wear it, that's okay. I tell no. As soon as we dress, no. I'm born here. We are here. No, go down. In a bolang, be a shower, a bayan. I tell you, on our also. That came I bear you way. I came I want to tell you, and kill off wet bus like or that from what you have winner. We are killed off way or was like that came I way. That oh, go a little no, you couldn't follow get the break now, the track break. They say your husband can't be Pasakio. Are you tell us your husband can't be Pasakio? That came when I do it. If your husband can't be Pasakio, why the fire can preach? Why did not want to kill it? Why are you also got child? What can not the one I can knock you now? Your husband can't be Pasakio. You're gonna knock solo. Your husband can't be Pasalo. Musalo, I am grace no who are shower. I shall see, before I came, come gather my toast you. I'll get where get a key or yaki toast you.
No be at us is.
Before Mark on the toast you, I said, married woman. Now something lead to that place. Before my come book hotel for you, when you come hotel. If you not give up red, if you not give up green lights, I'm not going to book hotel for you, when you come into a hotel. You understand? So you think that this video where you do now? They don't get on, come on, if I don't come up, they won't go here.
Mate wa no.
Because those one are stupid animals, they don't go fit any truth about the society.
Gunu amozwa we be va gunwe. No mwe abado project you wa.
When they forget the first say dominion.
We not fit gift you Pastor Grace. Really? My gift suspend. We not fit gift you Pastor Grace. My gift suspend. Wow, I don't even know since how many minutes. Lady Jege, how many minutes? Our president gift me now. I don't even notice some, but president gift me now. My gift suspend though. I manage. My gear suspend. How long do I take free? Power tap your screen, guys. The worst for the night will put time 15 minutes. Wow. Power tap, guys.
Big passion. Big passion. Big passion. Big passion.
Una listen, no.
Big
I
passion.
didn't know.
Big
I
passion.
didn't know.
He said France, Sanga, that one a person.
I didn't know.
Big
I
passion.
didn't know.
Big passion.
Yeah.
Big passion.
I didn't know.
Big
I
passion.
didn't know.
Big passion.
I didn't know.
Big passion.
Thank you.
Adulterous women abroad. The rate where women today sleep around their matrimonial home for abroad. It was.
Okay.
I didn't know. I soon witness no.
My husband, babe, when I use that, do sound for me. I need that as a sound. Yeah. We need that as a sound. You have anything to say? You want to come up? Come here. Hey. Kinibu, my love.
Mama, I just tired. This is just they shock my life. I don't feel breathe. I just they shock. I want faint. You see me say
I wish
you don't will.
I wish
Although you don't win for this
nobody
fight.
go believe. They'll say na saga.
Nobody. You don't win for this title because this one not be saga. You know they do saga. This one are your words of the match. You see one thing for this life. If woman talk too much, they talk as in they talk out of points. With that woman, and I just her mouth now you're put her for trouble because she talk too much. She cannot control herself. Imagine you get issue with your husband, you they carry your matter go they tell people for outside. You get issue for your family.
Person with the toaster.
Like you just they announce yourself. And when some women they like that, you must keep yourself. You know you have to keep as a woman, let her they control your mouth. You never even beat her on mommy, not that you never even beat her, you never even tell her word. All this word you all they do so and now words of her mouth. Now what if she use her mouth talk? That's why they say may we women more they let her they control our mouths. Not say your house they sweet or your house not they sweet. May you go they talk. Let her they get they stop sometimes when it is necessary to talk, you talk. When it's not necessary, you keep short. I don't disappointed. Well, I don't know what I want you to talk. I all this shock. I be Mama, you know, say you tell us that they say no, they call you Pastor Grace. No vessel. That's the way you decide that. So now Grace be new. I don't want to do one.
He says that water gas. Yeah, it's a gas water. I love gas.
I don't want to do that one now, Pastor Grace. I don't want to do that one.
Wala go lao.
Grace,
Pastor Grace wala because of this disgrace. She disgrace women a lot. Yeah, this guys single. Imagine saying a single man they do this one now. Imagine saying a single mother they do this one. They say, what do you expect? You see, get mad for us, so man.
I beg, woman, they respect herself. I beg, one of the next
don't we use the children money they feed those young. Don't we put some more boy for us? Don't we they lick bola for public? A book on a name of a person or name of an animal. What could not be name of a person? Only know who are.
You never even started the saga and now everywhere don't cast. Jesus.
Only know what
Imagine say you call your the saga. This one are your now wait till you talk. Oh, this one you never even bring your own saga come out. This one are mass like you say the beat herself. She got the beat herself with her mouth. I pity for her, Sha.
Imagine.
Life.
I beg you, my daughter name na Grace, so they are different Grace. But really, they are different Grace. Okay, let me play this word. If anything, they want to go debunk.
Mama, not I to the road they come. Enogie say he meet you for all social. Your first speaking we're not Joma, we're Monyamo.
Boko, I know say you're there yet now. Picking where you born, picking where you rent for Libya. You never for your return there. Your Chinese picking where you carry come out that your first or more Boko. That one resemble your picking for your hair. See that one, no, say na Rabona, you bought that picking where the mama where you carry picking take cross Libya. Call use attention Paduro. Are you made or something? If you're like that, Boko, those who resemble your children, can you give birth to those kind of children? Eh? You will be like Igbo, your second name like Igbo, you'll give birth to Chinese. What I mean Chinese is bien. What I mean Monumu Libya rek Boko, or more, or Revoyate no. Boko, what I mean Monumu Libya re. Pick you carry for Libya, not if you take give the owner. If Arabo see you, the way they take back Gaddafi Pikiria Yafia we or refwak Boko. Eria Yafia we or refwak Boko. Ami go drug Grace abu yen la dia. Wa afia wu yo meke. Amaso no ma bi no ma ro ki aveya we. Amaso no bi no ma ro ki aveya we Boko we Grace. E ki fi wa, agbon fi wa. Agbon fi ok Boko. Sumo boy o gbe wa do wati. Sumo boy gbe re fi top. Una giga duro, una giga muno ya koke sumo boy. Bird of the same feather flow together. Bird of the same feather bala together according to Jennifer. Oh, that back hamu wa disgrace ye. Boko you and disgrace and the same road they put on the same road na ita una. Kwe no ni ke ogo do eri we small sumo boy say you wa. Ozioma we are beard that the same Boko really kui Boko no reach your born Ozioma. Ama yego e Ozioma go una ye ude. Say you want kui bro you reach your born Ozioma Boko. Shame on you. Ozioma go use the money, go gather money, go use and marry better classy babe. And Ozioma is doing a great job. Whether they eat your money. Now, boy, we smart. If they afraid I don't know. If they afraid I don't want. When I go for that money, they take your money. You want to use the money to the. We all those records of Boko. Can you know that blogger? Can you tag me on those blog? You have to tag me on those. The man call the reminder in case he smoking, boy, drink when you forget. Your Shana baby, Chinese baby, Muamo Gelibia Bogan Ubioina. Go and return that your first daughter. Cause that daughter they don't look like you. Away. See that picky low, see that shower girl low. You know, send a person I born now. Oh, yeah, umu. Not be last day they tell you thief picking. Then you thief picking. I'm on way to Gugwan. Boko. I know you are here washing. I'm on way to Gugwan money boy. And money my when I yak back my hair. Wait, they say one some call wash plate. Picking when shit order they knock for nyash. Boko, money ya one is a Chinese girl ya one kitan. Black picky what I mean Chinese girl beer. Boko, black woman going for see Chinese picking bomb. So te awe mona isikwekwe, awe mona isikwekwe. You carry one come out that day. You say she look like Cora. Can Cora area where you feel go let that your daughter stand for there. Where Cora pull leg, feel go let that your smelly tip stand for there. Now get picking for a sound. Now call a trauma to person she children. When you have yours already, when I have mat already, you dig. Are you mad or something, Boko? Are you okay? Ere work bar. Eh? That's so yeah, that that's also about they knock the first one. Boko, what was about they knock Piki and mama? Your first daughter will be like Shineze, and the second will see like a call. Where also about the four colorful together? Boko, you are jealous of your daughter because Ozoma is knocking her back and front. Eh? If they do better, teacher, be your picking for the stand with you. You want carry camera, picking go the air camera because your children are ashamed of you. I say, what kind of useless mother is this? Can't you see the way they are running for camera? We want to turn camera for on them. They don't want you. They are ashamed of you. They get where they want me you rich when they go dump you. Here I dump you where. And money say where money, but my money motor. And money where we rock back. What did they do? If the money they carry back, they go they knock. Cause your man go they knock there for different place. Why ho work? Because go on belly where you make. I made Jamie not be no Moroccan and Venya work. Boko. Why ho? We not do the move with Libya. We not do the move with Libya. Boko. Eh? If you ask them, Enogie bien or Zeno, maybe not go work okay. Where is the money? Can you burn those or adulterous children? Eh? You get 5 girls, I get 4 girls. The other day you put your daughter mouth. Go and give birth to a boy's children if it's easy. Go and give birth to a twins if it's easy. Eh? The 5 children you get out 2 BO. You thief 3 for Libya. As you see use the shop at Duru Rich, they give you paper. Ariye Benue Akboko, when you give ready, you take us alone, they give you paper Akboko. How when I go and you know what could they do gooda. Eh? The other day you the saga because you're picking a shower, picking where you from window flick through away. And no one you say no who say you do that one public. What are you doing though? Akboko take get boss, now you get Boko, now you give Boko big belly when you take bon boy. Boko we get 5 girls. Now your papa give Boko belly when you take bon boy picking. Eh? And no do love your Kelibiare. You know saga picking for public say I'm from window throw away you. I got your fling you throw away. What you they do for his ass? Eh, you work away, don't you dare even avoid you. Those children even they avoid because you are get down or being you know who are or being no make your work. Eh? Go and give birth to a twins. Go and give birth to a boy picking. Now that body now this time that for say mother of 6 girls, mother of 5 girls go the last mother of 4 girls say no born boy. Are you crazy or something? Oh warrior, you know me 4 boys in a row. Ya horo you are. Ujoge when ujoge modoria, and ujoge muweria. As you use that doctor spoil your husband, also use that spoil your children. And mama you when low ye. A mama you who I love you. Your husband say, not give your children that medicine now. They will come for you. If you who more, try yourself say not give them medicine. They will come for you. A more we bele buwa. While lads and no work bene. In if you want pass through where you are giogoma. If you want great stay, want bepa. If you want bepa passy, want giogoma not de okay. And no work be so that because there's how this thing happen and I want to know they pass through. Wow, variety grace. I shower my husband bola big pass you. I who no do. I want to moge. This grace who did you was so avant. Who did you? Who did you? I request to Val. Who did you? My gift never sick. Oh my God. Gift time work well.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, now we don't know. Now happy Saturday. Oh.
Thank you.
Happy talk.
Yes, of course.
I thought they listen to you for almost 1 hour. Now maybe that lady will call one day for Enogie platform where I say I they deal with autistic children. Remember that day where I say I call back say more than 100 people talk to me from on our platform. I they deal with behavioral hate. See this life, you get one thing where you talk today, Mama Nora, blow me kiss. Mwah, I love you. You are a real person, oh. God go bless you. First of all, I just want to commend you for your strength, because the thing where you they do, most people not go do am. You know, say we Nigerians, we are very greedy. You go sit down, your husband go donate 3 million, 5 million on a daily basis. You not complain, you not talk. You want now. Sometimes if you don't no one give, I they hear you for background, you they say me they give. For that thing alone where you they do, everybody know say, and no get na head, now you be neck. Say amen. Now back to what you they talk today. You talk as say behavioral health, say for abroad, say people they get high blood pressure. Now that's one I want come talk here. Say you born pikin, now they tell you say you get BP. Nasi Ume cry last month, yeah. He say his friend get belle, his friend come dey blind because he get belle in one born. Why e be say, my question to una, all of us wey dey for abroad, why e be say if person get fibroid, they go use am cause the person. If person gets high blood pressure, una go use am say, according to you, say that they shop medicine, that they take medicine. I don't understand. So things wey be say e no dey detriment to your health, you dey try to suppress am. Why e come be say na problem for us Nigerians, but if oyibo do am, no be problem.
No a problem.
So you people, you Nigerians wey dey use wetin person, una get a bunch of people wey dey for this una platform. They get autistic children for inside house, they dey hide am.
Well.
Person wey talk you come outside, una dey curse am. One of una wey curse this woman years ago, una pikin don dey go 2 years, e no dey talk. And you know they see the photo, you know they see am. Anyway, not be that one make you problem. Grace, no wait, I want to talk to. I want to talk
to therapy.
Variety disgrace. Now I want to talk to Grace. Okay. One more to robo. One more to robo for robo culture. The things where they don't play, your proof where they play for year now. I'm not sure say you be robo girl. Go ask your mama when not be robo they for born you. Robo co. I they talk now. You they stream this woman. The woman they stream. Una they look each other for you. Grace, you not be robo girl because you see your husband. He be like Chris person. You now you be man for inside the marriage. Now you get prick. Me now robo girl. Grace, I they look you last week when you started the talk of Enogie. I know they do apropos for call Enogie tell her.
We not men.
You be very useless person. Make jealousy kill you. If not the donation where they say they help people, now they prepare you for body. Grace, you not sabi talk. You not get, you see, you not get flavor. Grace. Variety disgrace. Now me call a robo get way to put the okay. Then they say you what you do for crow. Where people get proof, men, your husband waiting for your ass now. Where they give you say, you be fool. You don't get shame. You and your husband are not get sense. That man not pay your dowry. If that man pay your dowry, as a complete robo girl when I be. Not be this thing when una two they do today now. Now Mama Nora Toto now want to cover the one way other men post proof for men they both they come outside say they nyash you. You know the shame. Variety disgrace. Urobo. Kokoko. We not co. Now God go punish you. If not the donation that they do for this platform,
it's okay.
May God punish you. Because I never see this kind of thing before. He not supposed to like that. I want one. In a Jesus. In a for that Christmas. The one where the guy if you do now grace where God give the guy they used to they help people. Grace I bet both of 27 million for 1 month because me I did your accountant. Even if I not put my small change day. Grace. Now your child benefit money. Now you take the boss where you can say I can give 500, I can give 300,000. So you not even get work. You dey wood then. They bleach for his house, be like person with son, not they meet. Useless woman. Ashawo. Now me now robo girl now they talk to you. I want if you did they cause this woman.
wife, you know, like I go start your own. Now they make the constitute